Hello students, 8.3, we're getting ready to do 4B. What does it say? Find the probability that at least one marble was red, given that the first marble was not replaced. So we call this one with replacement, and without replacement is part B, which is what we did up here in 3A and B. With replacement, without replacement. So this is like not replaced down here. Real traditional problems. We still have 2 red and 6 white marbles going on. And what I did was I wrote 2 red, 6 white, and I'm going to start. Remember, you start on your probability tree. It starts with start. And the probability of getting a red, if I look at this, is 2 out of 6 plus 2 is 8. So 2 8s. Now, the probability of getting a white is 6 8s. All right, so that's your first draw. Now, when you come down this branch and go to red, you assume that you drew a red. So I drew a red, and this is without replacement. So I have to, I'm getting a pencil out, take this out, and I'm not replacing it. So now I have 1 red, and I have 6 white. Right on this one, this branch right here, I took a red out. I didn't replace it. So I have 1 red and 6 whites. Now if you have to go back to this, you took a red out, and you're not replacing it. Remember, I put it on the side over here. That means I have 1 red and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whites. That's what's going on here. So if I'm looking at my space right here, I see the probability of drawing a red now is 1 out of how many? 6 plus 1, 7. Now, if you're not good at looking here, you can look up here. It's 1 out of 1, 2, 3. Well, that's 6, 7. Okay. And now if I'm looking at this probability here, probability of drawing a white is 6 out of 7. Now I drew a red. I'm still in this situation where I drew a red first, not putting it back. So this is going to be 6 out of 7 on that branch. All right, now let's suppose I start over, put that back, put it back. Okay, and as a matter of fact, I have to do this up here, erase. Starting over, that's why I did it in pencil. So I'm starting all over, hence the start. And let's say I drew a white. So I drew a white out of here, and I'm not putting it back. So I'm taking this and I'm putting it over here. And that's the same as doing this, making that a 5. Try not to look at that. Oh, that pencil is so good. So I have 2 reds and 5 whites, which if you look up there, 2 reds and 5 whites. So this probability now of drawing a red is going to be 5 out of 5, 6, 7. 5 out of 7, and this will be, did I do that right? No, it's 2 out of, sorry about that. 2 reds out of 7, and how many whites? 5 out of 7. And you can look up here. 2 reds out of 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whites out of 7 if you take it and don't replace it. And I wrote without replacement here. So it changes all the probabilities. And the question is still the same. What's the probability at least 1 marble is red? At least 1 marble is red, at least 1 marble is red, at least 1 marble is red. So I'm going to do those branches, and that's going to be 2 8s times 1 7 is 2 over 56. And then this one's going to be red, white. So it's 2 8s times 6 7ths. Which is 12 out of 56. And then white red will be 6 8ths times 2 7ths, which is 12 over 56. So I'm doing I've done all these branches well. And then add them up. So that's going to be 12, 24 divided by 6, 26 out of 56. And again, it doesn't matter how you do your fractions, as long as we get the same answer. And I'm going to take 26 out of 56 on here. Sorry about the lighting. Can't seem to get a better. And then math, enter, enter, will give me 13 out of 28. There we go. I'll be back for number 5.